Welcome to my Q1 2022 SAP HANA Cloud Release Highlights. My name is Thomas Hammer and I'm the lead product manager of SAP HANA Cloud. In this video, I will guide you through my highlights of our latest release of SAP HANA Cloud. SAP HANA Cloud consists of multiple database components, one being our flagship and well-known in-memory database called SAP HANA. In Q1 2022, we have introduced many new features to the SAP HANA database. With the latest delivery, we have once again invested into enhancing our services' resiliency. Strengthening the reliability of SAP HANA Cloud, you can now take advantage of multi-zone high availability across two availability zones with synchronous replication. Thus, we are now reaching a service level agreement of 99.99%. Apart from that, we have also invested into our machine learning capabilities. SAP HANA Cloud offers an impressive set of embedded machine learning capabilities consisting of the predictive analysis library and the automated predictive library. With the latest enhancements, you are now, for example, able to composite a sequence of functions from our predictive analysis library into a pipeline model for training as well as for prediction purposes. This means you can now build composite multifunctional models. Apart from that, we have added some functional enhancements to unified regression, classification, time series analysis and forecasting, text mining, and the automated predictive library. Another release highlight to me are the innovations in calculation view modeling. Used to create data content for SAP HANA Cloud, SAP HANA Database, calculation views enable you to define more advanced slices on your data. In Q1 2022, we have added a function that allows you to decide whether data preview queries are automatically run or not in the SAP Business Application Studio. Additionally, you now get the chance to get insights into SQL hierarchies during the data preview. Apart from that, it is now also possible to control where exactly filters are applied in federated scenarios. Last, in the area of calculation view modeling, I want to highlight the capabilities to prune data sources. This allows you to exclude data sources that don't contribute to the requested measures in a union. Next, I want to talk about our additions in the area of security and user authentication. With the latest release of SAP HANA Cloud, SAP HANA Database, we have added automatic user creation when authenticating via JWT and SAML. Having these functionalities available, the creation of user data can now be done automatically in certain scenarios using LDAP. Looking at our second service component within SAP HANA Cloud, the Data Lake, there are also some great innovations I want to highlight as well. With our SAP HANA Cloud Data Lake, you can efficiently and securely store, manage, and analyze large amounts of data, no matter if it's structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. Since the Q1 2022 release, the SAP HANA Cloud Data Lake has been providing self-service upgrades. This means you can now execute upgrades whenever they fit your schedule best, simply by pushing a button. Doing so, you can ensure business continuity via full control over the upgrade process and avoid waiting times you had with the formerly used service requests. Apart from that, we have enabled customer auditing for the data lake. It tracks all security relevant activities performed on the SAP HANA Cloud Data Lake relational engine. The last enhancement specific to the data lake in SAP HANA Cloud are our customer-facing diagnostic and trace files. You can now create users with access to diagnostic assets and take advantage of the improved observability and usage analysis. But apart from these great highlights, the latest release of SAP HANA Cloud introduced many other great innovations, like the possibility to view and manage items in a data lake file container in SAP HANA Database Explorer, enhancements to the HANA deployment infrastructure, various new features in the area of multimodal data processing, like a hexagon grid generator, and many more. So if my personal highlights made you curious to learn more about our release, why don't you take a look at our website, our What's New blog, or register for our What's New in SAP HANA Cloud webinar. Thanks a lot for joining me to learn more about our top features and my personal highlights of QRC1 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with SAP HANA Cloud. See you soon.